An update now on the Venice dog hoarding case uncovered in May. The owner of the dogs faces several charges, including animal cruelty. At the same time, local organizations grapple with the problem of finding homes for many seized dogs. Still, good news today as once neglected dogs went home to new families. SNN Local News 6 reporter Tom Lloyd reports.
Last month, more than 260 dogs were seized by Sarasota County Animal Services at this home in Venice. Most of the dogs were caged, rarely having human contact. The Suncoast Humane Society in Inglewood took on 18 of the dogs. Many of them were in poor health. The 7 healthiest pooches were adopted out quickly in the first round of adoptions. Now Wednesday marks round 2 of adoptions, with 9 of them available to a good home.
We put one up I think about mid last week, and then we put 8 more up today at 11.
Jennifer Shallow is the director of operations at the Suncoast Humane Society. She says most of the 18 dogs they took in had major health problems.
Many of them had severe periodontal disease. We have one particular animal, Lizzie, who needed 32 teeth extracted, which only left her with a couple teeth due to infection that was not cared for.
Shallow says one of the dogs in particular has made a major turnaround.
I'd probably say Bieber. He's been kind of the rock star of the whole thing. He's a little Maltese. He's about 4 to 5 years old. And he is friendly. He is trying to work on his potty breaking. He is a cuddle bug.
A line of would-be parents lined up at 11 a.m. Wednesday to see the dogs. Humane Society staff urged people to not forget the shelter's other residents are also available.
Just not to forget the animals that we already have at the shelter, our long-term residents who kind of get the back burner when we do have cases come up like this.
Reporting in Inglewood, Tom Lloyd, SNN Local News 6.
There are still 2 more dogs associated with this dog hoarding case at the shelter. They require more rehabilitation before they're ready for adoption. As to the woman charged in this case, Sarasota County Sheriff officials say they have charged Donna Faircloth with 1 count of animal cruelty, 2 counts of confinement of animals without sufficient food, water, exercise, or ventilation. Also 1 count of improper disposal of a dead animal.